360 divided by 6. Here 6 is a divisor, so we need multiplication table of 6. 6 times 0 0, 6 times 1 6, 6 times 2 12. To find out the multiplication table of 6, just add 6 with the previous step. 0 plus 6 6, 6 plus 6 12, 12 plus 6 18, 18 plus 6 24, 24 plus 6 30, like this. 6 goes into 3 how many times? 0 times, as 3 is less than 6. 0 times 6, 0 times 6, 0. Subtract 3. Bring down this digit. Now we have 36. 6 goes into 36 how many times? 6 goes into 36 6 times. So write 6. 6 times 6, 36. Subtract 0. Bring down this 0. 0 0 means 0. 6 goes into 0. 6 goes into 0 0 times. 0 times 6, 0. Subtract 0. As our remainder is 0, we are done. So 0 6 0 means 60 is our answer.